Nisa Trimaharani, and I'm a literature student at my university. I'm passionate about language, and today I'll be sharing some insight about linguistics. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of linguistics, the scientific study of language. But before we start, let me ask you guys, have you ever wondered how language works or why we speak the way we do? Let's explore how language is more than just language. Let's go. So, what is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It helps us to understand the structure, the meaning, the use of language in communication. But let me ask you guys, what do you think when you hear the word linguistics? Is it just about grammar and spelling? Okay, linguistics includes everything from how to we make sounds, to how we structure the sentence, to how the context changes meaning, and think about how you use language in different situations, like when you're talking to a friend versus your boss. How does the way speak change? Now, let's look the main branches of linguistics. Linguistics is a big field with many branches. Now, we are going to look at some key ones like phonetic or how we make sounds, and then morphology or the structure of words, and syntax or how we form the sentence. Okay, can anyone guess what phonetics studies? Exactly, it is the sound we produce when we speaking. Now let's talk about morphology. Can anyone think of word can be broken down into a smaller part? It is like unhappiness become an happiness. Can you think any other words like this? Okay, let's dive into phonetic and phonology. Phonetic looks at the cycle sound we make when we speaking. For example, when you say cat, what do you notice about your mouth and tongue movement? Let's all say the word cat together. Cat. Now try saying it slowly. Cat. What do you feel happening in your mouth? That's phonetic in action. Now think about phonology. Why do you think the words pet and bat sound different? It is because English treats these sounds differently each other. Okay, now let's move on to the syntax and how structure sentence. Okay, now we are talking about syntax, which is all about how words are arranged in sentence. In English, the basic structure is subject, verb, object, like the cat cats the mouse. Okay, let's have fun with this. What happens if we change the word order? For example, if we say chase the mouse cat the, is it still make sense? Of course not. Let's try another sentence, like I love ice cream. How about rearranging it to like I ice cream love I? What do you think happened to the meaning, it doesn't make sense at all. This shows how important syntax to clarity in language. Okay, the last part is pragmatic. Pragmatic is about understanding of how context can change the meaning of word and sentence. For example, if I say, "Can you pass the salt in at a dinner?" I'm not asking if you are capable of passing the salt. I'm making a request. Context is everything in communication. Can anyone share a moment where something you say or hear was understood differently depending on the situation? This of how pragmatic shapes language. Okay, to wrap up, let's review what we've learned and how all it connects. Let's go. Okay, to wrap up, we've seen how linguistics covers a lot of ground, from sounds, words, and sentences, and how context can change meaning. Every time we speak, we are using all of these elements without even thinking about it. Now, I want you to think your own experience. Has learning about linguistics changed how you think about language? Okay, before we end, I'm curious, what aspect of linguistics do you find the most interesting or maybe confusing? That's wrap up my presentation, and I hope it gave you a new perspective about how language works in our daily life. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Bye-bye.